It's 11 a.m. I have some gear and I'm getting ready to go. The Yama is open and prepared. We are roped off. So Anya and Sanya are going to help us figure out first what's in the first chamber, and then, if we can, what's in the second chamber.
So cold.
Yeah. So clearly garbage is in here. There's somebody's refrigerator, I think. The rock has been hand carved, or you can see with a little cold chisel perhaps, I don't know. So now we're going to switch to the other side to go see what's on the other side. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, very good.
What's over there?
More digging and probably another cave.
Jesus. Cool place.
All right, there's the sub chamber and the entrance over there. No war crime stuff, no gold.
No gold. Yeah. Nothing much. $5 meters below.
Yeah, I mean that's at least 5 meters just there.
What's that?
A car driving over us.
I don't think so.
Yeah, it goes under the road, my dad said.
Really?
We found the second chamber, which has another chamber with multiple small chambers. Okay, let's go. Good job.